ng problema. In fact, during the Senate committee hearing ni Senator Bo, we need billions of pesos to give assistance to this transport sector kung gusto nila na mag-modernize kita. Ang problema din ng nga ginahatag sa gobyerno kay wala man kadamo naman sa aton nga padala to sila dito wala man nila sa PAC, so it's not their priority program. So I believe nga kung wala ni sang tagaan nila sang additional assistance, failure gindi ang aton nga transport modernization program. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I-pass around ko, Madam Chair, ang reports ng duwa ka lokal na bangko diri, no? The DBP and Land Bank. I hope it treated with confidentiality. Pero para sa mga konsihal, minsindihan ta ang report nila nga the situation in terms of amounts and loan. Wala man ding ala ng mga kooperatiba, so hindi man natin. Pero ang mga accounts nila ara, Madam Chair. We'd like to appreciate highly, greatly, the manifestations of our good councilors. Patyaga namon ang sitwasyon sa transport sector. But for the first time, ang bangko ng mga managers kinistorya ko ngayo bulig. No? Usually, isog yung bangko. Bargohon mo lang na nila mo. Pero yun yan, subong yung bangko. Buligi man kami. Kaya hindi man nila pwede embargohon. To be honest, kaya kung embargohon nila, ano matabo sa public interest ng nambal ni Councilor Rex Sarabia, ano matabo sa ruta. Kung embargohon nila, ano barhon nila. So sakit ulo sa bangko. Kaya bisan sila mismo, pareho sa aton, ginpilit man to be honest, nga palunon man ang mga kooperatiba kaya aton programa. So Madam Chair, I'd like also to ask the indulgence of the body. Title lang ning akon resolution, wala pa content. But will reflect the manifestation of the good councilor. No? This is, I would like to corollary pass a motion.
But before that, Councilor Cataluna, since we don't have a copy of your proposed resolution, please ask for first to suspend the rules since based sa aton nga rules hindi ka pwede ka make any corollary motion kung wala ka kahatag copy of a resolution.
Can we confirm that usually after a privilege speech pwede kita pa resolution, but I will abide by the guidance of the good presiding officer. Madam Chair, I move for suspension of the House rules so that I may be allowed to pass resolution based on a title that will reflect definitely the sentiments of the body, including the contents. We will not go far from the contents in the contents as to the title of this resolution, Madam Chair. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Madam Chair, just read the title, base pa lang may suggestion pa. This is a resolution that will strongly urge Congress and the Department of Transportation to provide all necessary assistance, legislative, technical, financial, and otherwise, including substantial subsidy to transport cooperatives operating in the city of Iloilo. Nag-evolve ang title, Madam Chair, as they manifested their sentiments. So, ginsulod kong Congress, ginsulod ko man ang substantial subsidy lang.